Sit back and watch the launch.
À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain. Allumage EAP et décollage VA 243 centième Ariane 5. Sont nominaux. La propulsion est nominale. Trajectoire toujours nominale. Sont nominaux, la propulsion est nominale. La propulsion est nominale.
Ariane 5, the 100th launch today. There she is, blazing a trail across the night skies here at the Guiana Space Center. I have to tell you that it's really remarkable seeing that with your own eyes and hearing it. You can actually feel the vibration. Coming up on separation of the boosters, hopefully we will see that with our own eyes. We've been very lucky to have such beautiful clear skies tonight.
Séparation des deux EAP.
And we have confirmation there of the separation of the two boosters. So we are shedding weight. They burnt their propellant. We don't need them anymore. And you can see them there. Those two dots going to the right and left. And the dot in the middle is actually the Vulcan engine. It's the engine of the main stage. So you can see the launcher is flying away from us. Over now to the CGI images to look at that. Bottom left-hand side of the screen, you can see that we are now 100 kilometers above the Earth, and there's no longer any friction because the air is too thin for that to cause us any problems. And you can see this is the scheduled moment for separation of the fairing, and we've had that confirmed now by the range operations manager. And we can see how it bends as it falls. There, it's all part of the flat plan. It's called the breathing mode. And right now the main stage is getting ready to switch its engine off. It's called the Vulcan engine. That's it, on the left-hand side there of the big tube in the middle. That's the main stage. It's been propelling us into the sky for 9 minutes now, nearly 9 minutes. It's extremely powerful. It burns 320 kilograms of propellant per second. And here is the scheduled moment now for the separation of that. So the main stage engine has switched off, and the command, when it senses that the launcher is correctly orientated. So the launcher has to be on track, it needs to be going in the right direction. It needs to be on time, and the computer knows that it must fly from 0 seconds to 25 minutes and 25 seconds, and it has to be going at the right speed for us. That's 9.34, and the right altitude, that's 662 kilometers. And all those parameters
Extinction de l'étage supérieur cryotechnique sur commande de guidage.
Are met, so we are now able to switch the engine off because the vehicle equipment bay, the onboard computer, has sent the signal so that it can release the satellite onto its correct orbit. Our injection altitude for Horizons 3E, as I said, is 1,108, and this is the scheduled moment of separation.
Séparation horizon 3E.
And we have confirmation there of separation of Horizons 3E. You can see it on the right-hand side, moving away from the mothership. So congratulations to all the teams there. We do have separation, but of course we need to hear from the satellite. So we're looking here at the upper stage, the disc that's containing the vehicle equipment bay, which is guiding us. This is the scheduled moment now for separation of the cylinder. There it goes. You can see how it moves away in a very carefully planned set of maneuvers. It's called collision avoidance. It's all part of the plan.
Séparation du système de lancement double Ariane.
And now we have the confirmation there of separation of the cylinder. It's so thin, as I was saying earlier, in the sense that it's such a small line. It's our gas mask, the gas mask that is allowing Earth to thrive here on Earth. Sorry, allowing life, rather, to thrive here on Earth. And this is the scheduled moment now for separation.
Séparation Azerspace-2, Intelsat 38.
Well, congratulations there to all the teams. We have separation of our second satellite, Azerspace-2, Intelsat 38.